So we're gonna live? We're gonna evac. Alright, we're gonna evac. Tonight at Hotel Playa Encantada. So it's a great location. It's just right next to the bus station and the mega supermarket. So definitely a great location for a stopover. We were able to get the junior suite, so family of 5. Came out to I think about $34 a night. So very economical. And what do you think, Ryder? Should we go in?
If there was a zombie apocalypse, how are you supposed to evac this? Because zombies are going up here, and then there's no way to jump out.
I mean, this is true. So you do have to keep in mind if there was a zombie apocalypse, Ryder was saying this would be hard to evac because there'd be nowhere to jump out. So if you're concerned about the zombie apocalypse happening soon, maybe think of another place to stay. So let's see if anyone's home. Let's knock.
How about just put buttons?
Oh, hello, Ellie.
Bye wires. Bye wires here.
So Ryder's got the lockdown on the apocalypse. You're gonna take us through? Here, I'll carry it. Ooh.
We already opened some soap.
We see you. We already opened the soap? That's right. Wash your hands. It's Corona time. Don't you be a fool. Be cool so we can open the school.
They have a towel on the toilet for some reason.
Towel on the toilet. It's a towelette. A very lovely, spacious shower. Lots of room for activities. Playing rub-a-dub-dub. I don't know. Yeah, rub-a-dub-dub, maybe like a water gun fight. I don't know. You got a hair blow dryer if you want to blow your hair.
Dry your hair. Here is the amazing.
All right, so we're coming in. There's Ryder. He's great. So the kids are super calm today. So you have a little kitchenette. Looks like you have an electric range. Yeah. Microwave.
The stove.
Yeah.
We have the stove top thing.
Stovetop. But do we have stovetop stuffing, baby? That's what I want.
We have the microwave, the coffee machine, the coffee machine.
Coffee sheen, girl. I love it. Ooh, is that an ice maker? So what's the over-under? Will you get Montezuma's revenge if you do the water dispenser? My sources say yes. I'll get back with you.
This is the dining table.
Dining room table for a family of 4. Comfortable. Big fridge. Got a freezer, so you can go to the supermarket right across the street. You can put your Gatorade right in here, so before you get on the bus, you can get your Gatorade. Gatorade. You got some beautiful women on the couch. My voice just cracked. Looks like it's a pull-out couch, so you got a bed. Hey, I see you. Come on in. Alright. Uh-oh. You didn't lock us up. So 2 queen beds. You have air con in the bedroom. You have a Ryder in one bed. And sometimes a Ryder in a second bed. TV, closet, iron. And me. Then down below, you have a pool and a courtyard. It's cool, you have a Jaguar on the side of the building. Over there, y'all see the Jaguar kids? That's neat on the tree. Place to lay out. Looks like you have the Virgin Mary in the corner there. So that's neat. You got the pool. They have an elevator. I know that's important to a lot of folks, having an elevator. Or you can take the stairs. Oh, where'd I go? It's so dark. There's also free parking. So if you rented a car from the Cancun airport, you can park for free. But yeah, seems pretty good. Pretty happy with the price point. Pretty happy with the location. It's also near El Fogón. God bless you. God bless you. Times of COVID. No. You cannot do that. They're coming for you. Just kidding. Not. Uh-oh. He's good. So, anything else you want to add, baby girl?
No.
Cool. Well, come play in Mexico. One thing she wants to add. Goodbye. Come play with us. So we'll see you later. We love you. Like and subscribe for more dope room tours. Hotel Playa Encantada. So like, comment, Share with your mother. Share with your brother. Where'd I go again? I've lost. Just enjoy. So we love you. We'll see you later. Bye.
And here you go.